Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your videos as a YouTube short to YouTube. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the YouTube app, then go to Uploads, which is in the middle of the screen, and tap on Create Shorts. On it, you can either record a short by tapping the record button, or you can also upload your previous videos by tapping on the bottom left corner on this little gallery icon. And from here you can choose one of your videos and you can upload them as a short. Let's see, I just read a few ants out here. Very cool video, and I just tap on it and I can upload it to shorts. When you choose your video, you can cut it, you can choose a segment from it. Right now it is set to 15 seconds, so it's going to cut out a 15-second version. And when you are done, you just have to tap on done and it's going to edit to your shorts. And obviously you can also edit it after. As you can see, we are here in the YouTube Shorts section, just on the check mark, and from here you can add music to it, you can add text, you can write anything, and filters even, and after that you can upload it by tapping on next and upload to your channel. Now, if you have a longer clip than 15 seconds, you can also upload by first you have to change the 15-second version here. So when you open it, let's go back so I can show you. When you go to create short, first you have to change this, as you can see just below the record button. It is 15, and if you tap on it, it is going to switch to 16. And when it's 60, now I can upload videos up to 60 seconds. So as you can see, now I've chosen this video and it does not show that it is going to cut 15 seconds out of it, but I can upload the whole thing. As you can see, the whole 22 seconds or 23. Done, and it's going to upload it, the whole thing. So yeah, this way you can upload up to 60 seconds videos. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.